How to create a league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Now, you will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, go ahead and make sure that you are signed in and then tap on the leagues and cups option you see there in order to start creating a league. Here, you will see the option for create a league. So tap on the create a league option and in this particular interface, tap on create a league cup if you want to create a classic scoring league, or if you want to create a head-to-head scoring league, then tap on the create head-to-head league. I will create a classic scoring league. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be required to enter your league name. So go ahead and enter when does your scoring start, and once chosen you will see the option for create league. So tap on the create league option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the league has been created. So this was about how you can create a league in FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.